Look, losing hair sucks, and unfortunately it happens to the majority of men. By age 35, 2/3 of American men will notice some thinning. And by age 50, 85% of men are actually gonna notice some thinning as well. These stats are no joke, right? This means that the majority of you guys watching this right now will start thinning by age 35.
Well, unfortunately, I'm one of those people. I'm William, I'm 30 years old, I'm Alex's brother. I started noticing some thinning on my hair when I was 26 or so, right at the front here first. It gradually moved on to the back. Unfortunately, I thought I was too young, but I wasn't. It seems common for a lot of 26-year-olds, even younger, to experience hair loss. I first started to notice my hair thinning when I was styling my hair, running my hands through my hair, my fingers, and then I started noticing pictures. It didn't even look like me. I've always been a hair guy since I was young, not just because I'm Alex's brother. When I was in high school, I had tons of hair products in my locker room. I was that guy. Everybody knew my hair would be on point every day in school. I would not let one day go by without styling my hair every single day. So I've always been a huge hair guy. But then people would take pictures of me in the back and the front, and I wouldn't even recognize myself anymore because of all the thinning and all the bald spots. The thinning in my hair killed my confidence because it made me look older than I really am. I felt older than I really was, and I wasn't able to get the hairstyles that I wanted. I would have to hide my hair to the side and hide the bald spots and just not get the full potential of my hair. It affected my confidence in my everyday life, dating, at work, and for myself, most importantly, because I knew it was there, and no matter what I did to hide it, you can't hide it.
Today, I'm taking William to Barber Surgeons Guild in West Hollywood, California to get a treatment called Scalp Camo.
Do you think wearing a hat over a long period of time or almost every day type of thing would damage your hair over time? Would it make your hair loss? Was it cause hair loss?
I don't think it has to do with hair loss. Scientifically, it hasn't been proven that that's a cause for hair loss. So I wouldn't think twice about that one.
What do you think about blow drying your hair a few times a week?
Well, anytime you do any kind of heat treatment, it can cause damage to the hair. Scientifically, it hasn't been proven again that it can cause permanent hair loss, but damage, any kind of damage can eventually cause you to lose hair. But over time, I'm not sure if it just caused permanent hair loss. That's mostly genetic.
I literally started taking a finasteride pill once a day, 1 mg a day this week. What do you think about finasteride? Do you think it works?
I definitely think it works. Finasteride is one of the best maintenance programs that you can get on to sustain. 3 months, it'll start to work. 3 to 6 months, you'll see the most results. And then from 6 months to 9 months, of course, you'll see. What it does, it doesn't grow hair. Hair doesn't just fall out. It miniaturizes until it's too weak to break through the skin. So if you can catch it before it actually does that, you can strengthen it back up so it can become strong like the donor resistant.
So when I was a kid, I actually fell down and I hurt my head in the corner, and I got a scar right here. It was like a big, no hair would grow on it, but I actually don't even see it now. I'm looking for it and I'm like, I think you colored it in and it's gone. I really can't even find it. My first, like this thing was huge, man. I don't know how. I literally don't see it. What's up, guys? It's me, William. It's day 2 here. The first day went by great. I feel no pain whatsoever. The second day is supposed to make a huge difference on my hair, so I'm ready for it. Let's go.
Man, I can't even see literally anything anymore.
It's awesome.
Incredible. Literally, like, and then it's just gonna get better, you know?
Exactly.
The final session.
Can't see the bald spots, right?
Can't see it at all.
It's great.
No, it's great.
I even had a little scar here that's gone too. Just kind of like a bald spot scar that was huge, like huge. Like
Yeah, I don't see it all. Yeah. How thrilled are you?
This is awesome. I think it's, I just want to look through it and see,
Yeah.
like, you know, this area here especially, because you can see right, you remember, like, you can see right
There's
through
all
it.
trying to see through this whole area.
Yep.
And now it's like, you can't see any of this.
Just looks a lot more fuller.
Well, yeah, man, congrats.
Hey, thank you so much.
All right.
That's awesome. Looking for my bald spots, I don't see any. Yeah, it kind of looks way better. Look at that. It's hard to even get to the bottom. You gotta dig in.
All right, so we are reunited. It's been about a month now since the second treatment of scalp camouflage that William had done. How do you feel? How does it look?
I feel good. It's not something that everybody notices, but it's definitely something I notice. And you know, when I look at pictures, I look in the mirror, you just can't see my scalp, not even close as much as I used to be able to see it. So it makes a huge difference for me, and I'm feeling more confident. I'm wearing less hats.
And that's all that matters, right? So that's really what it's all about. The scalp camouflage treatment is not going to change the way that you look. It's more so that depending on the angle and the lighting, you know, that it hits your scalp, you're not gonna be able to see that scalp anymore. You're not gonna be able to see that you're thinning. And we should also mention that you're going in for a third treatment for like a touch-up. So it's 2 treatments, those are like the major ones, and then there's a third touch-up treatment that you're gonna go
January.
in a couple of months to really finalize everything. So thank you to Barber Surgeon Guild for really making this happen. I mean, I'm so happy with how it turned out, and William is extremely happy as well. If you guys want to learn more about scalp camouflage treatments or hair transplant treatments, you can check out Barber Surgeon Guild. It's going to be listed in the description below with all of their info. Go check them out. They've done an amazing job. And of course, you can follow us on Instagram. Everything's going to be listed below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Peace.